have sunburn.
Are you wearing those shoes?
What?
You wearing those shoes?
What was that supposed to mean? What is that supposed to mean?
That's what you're gonna wear.
Why?
For dinner?
I have to wear
Do
sneakers?
you see what I'm wearing?
You look great.
Yeah. Let's put some different shoes on.
Imagine if I said that to you.
You would never say that to me.
Fair. So I have to change?
Yes. Just the shoes. The shoes are. You can't wear flip flops to a nice dinner.
It's not flip flops, it's Birkenstocks. You bought them. They're Birks.